Desalination education, raising awareness. Title: Desalination education, raising awareness. Introduction. Desalination, the process of converting salt water into fresh water, is becoming an increasingly important solution in addressing the global water crisis. With the rise in population and the growing demand for fresh water, desalination provides a viable alternative to meet this ever-increasing need. However, there is a lack of awareness and understanding about desalination and its implications. This article aims to shed light on desalination education and the importance of raising awareness. Why desalination education matters. Desalination education plays a crucial role in raising awareness among individuals, communities, and policymakers. Understanding the process of desalination, its benefits, and its limitations is essential for effectively managing water resources. By educating the public and decision-makers about desalination, we can promote informed decision-making and sustainable practices. There are several desalination technologies available, including reverse osmosis, multi-stage flash distillation, and electrodialysis. Each technology has its advantages and disadvantages, and it is vital to educate people about these differences. Advantages of desalination. One of the significant advantages of desalination is its ability to provide a reliable source of fresh water in arid regions where traditional water sources are scarce. Desalination plants can help alleviate water shortages and reduce dependence on freshwater resources, such as rivers and groundwater. Additionally, desalination can be an alternative in regions where water contamination from pollutants or natural disasters poses a significant threat to public health. Limitations and challenges. While desalination offers a reliable source of fresh water, there are some limitations and challenges associated with this technology. It is an energy-intensive process, requiring substantial amounts of electricity or thermal energy, which can contribute to carbon emissions. Furthermore, desalination plants produce brine, a highly concentrated solution of dissolved salts, which needs careful disposal to avoid harming marine ecosystems. Educating people about these challenges is essential to encourage the development of more efficient and sustainable desalination technologies. Environmental implications. The environmental impact of desalination is an important consideration. Educating the public about these implications is necessary for making informed decisions. For instance, the intake of seawater for desalination plants can negatively impact marine flora and fauna if not properly designed to minimize ecological disruption. Implementing mitigation measures, such as fish screens and alternative intake methods, can help minimize these impacts. Additionally, the disposal of brine back into the ocean must be carefully managed to prevent harm to marine ecosystems. Economic considerations. Desalination plants require significant upfront investment and ongoing operational costs. Educating decision-makers about the economic feasibility of desalination is crucial for informed water resource planning. Promoting sustainability. Desalination education is closely linked to promoting sustainable practices in the water sector. Certainly. In addition to raising awareness about desalination, education can also focus on fostering innovation and research in this field. Encouraging students and professionals to undertake research and development projects can lead to the discovery of more efficient and sustainable desalination technologies. These advancements can help address the limitations and challenges currently associated with desalination, such as high energy requirements and brine disposal. Furthermore, desalination education can highlight the importance of partnerships and collaborations among different stakeholders. Effective desalination projects require coordination between government agencies, private companies, research institutions, and local communities. By fostering collaboration and knowledge sharing, we can work towards developing integrated solutions to meet the growing demand for fresh water in a sustainable manner. Another aspect of desalination education is the promotion of public engagement and participation. By involving the public in decision-making processes, individuals and communities can have a say in the development and implementation of desalination projects. This can help build trust, address concerns, and ensure that the social and cultural aspects related to water resources are taken into account. Certainly, one important aspect of desalination education is the inclusion of case studies and success stories. By highlighting real-life examples of desalination projects that have made a positive impact, we can inspire others to take action and replicate those successes in their own communities. These case studies can showcase not only the environmental benefits of desalination but also its socio-economic advantages, such as job creation and economic development. Moreover, it is essential to address the potential environmental concerns associated with desalination. While the process itself can help alleviate water scarcity, it is important to ensure that the environmental impacts are minimized. Desalination education can emphasize the need for sustainable practices such as energy-efficient technologies, responsible brine disposal, and the use of renewable energy sources. By promoting sustainable desalination practices, we can mitigate any negative effects on marine ecosystems and preserve our natural resources. Additionally, desalination education should be tailored to different audiences. For students, it can be integrated into science curricula, highlighting the scientific principles behind desalination. For professionals, it can include advanced courses and workshops that delve into the technical aspects of desalination plant design, operation, and maintenance. For the general public, awareness campaigns and public outreach initiatives can effectively convey the importance of desalination and its role in ensuring water security. Lastly, continuous research and development in desalination technology should be encouraged and supported. By investing in research, we can drive innovation and find solutions to the challenges that currently limit desalination's widespread adoption. Certainly. In addition to the aforementioned points, desalination education can also focus on the economic aspects of desalination. By highlighting the cost-effectiveness of desalination as a long-term solution for water scarcity, we can encourage governments and organizations to invest in this technology. Desalination can provide a reliable and sustainable source of fresh water, reducing the dependence on traditional sources that may be subject to droughts or contamination. Furthermore, desalination education can address common misconceptions and concerns that people may have about the process. Some may worry about the taste or quality of desalinated water, or the potential negative impacts on marine life. By presenting accurate information and addressing these concerns, we can help dispel any doubts and misconceptions, enabling more widespread acceptance and support for desalination projects. It is also important to highlight the global impact and potential benefits of desalination. Many regions across the world are facing water scarcity issues, and desalination can provide a viable solution. Desalination education can also include practical demonstrations and hands-on activities.